Assalamu alaikum class 6. Hope you will be fine. Students, here is your book, The Grammar Tree. So let's start our today's topic. Dear students, we have discussed in detail about countable and uncountable noun, and I hope you have understood about countable and uncountable noun. Now today we have to complete exercise C and D. Use the words in the box given below to complete these sentences. Here are some words given to us. You can see them: 50, the, a, little, much, a, no, some, any, a lot of. And with the help of these words, we have to complete the given blanks. Number 1, pass me dash butter please. Here we will use the word the. Here we will use the word the. Pass me the butter please. There are dash students from the hills in my class. A lot of. In blank true, a lot of. Number 3, can you buy me dash shirt? Can you buy me a shirt? There is dash flour in the bin. There is dash flour in the bin. Here we will use the word little because little is suitable word. How dash milk should I buy? We will use here the word much. How much milk should I buy? Where have dash the chocolates gone? All. Where have all the chocolates gone? After the last attempt failed, there was dash hope of rescue. There was no hope of rescue. I have to pay 50 rupees more to the tailor. I have to pay dash rupees. Dash में क्या आएगा word 50 rupees. Don't worry, we still have dash money left. We still have a lot of money. We still have a lot of money left. Number 10, has she done dash work at all since she came? Has she done dash में आएगा any. Has she done any work at all since she came? Let's revise. जो आपके पास स्टूडेंट्स हर चैप्टर में आपने देखा होगा कि एक एक्सरसाइज आ रही है एंड पे जो कि लेट्स रिवाइज के तौर पे आ रही है. उसमें आपने जो पढ़ा हुआ होता है उसमें तकरीबन उस सारे को इंक्लूड किया जाता है. उस सारे से रिलेटेड कोई ना कोई एग्जांपल्स होती हैं या कोई ब्लैंक्स होती हैं और हमने उन्हें कंप्लीट करना होता है. आपके पास लेट्स रिवाइज में आज टॉपिक आ रहा है. उसमें यूज़ मैनी, मच, a few and a little suitable in the sentences given below. कि इन sentences के अकॉर्डिंग जो वर्ड suitable है वो आपने इनमें इन ब्लैंक्स में पुट करना है. इन ब्लैंक्स को उसकी हेल्प से कंप्लीट करना है. सो स्टार्ट करेंगे. डैश पीपल केम टू सी द एग्जीबिशन. हेयर द suitable word is many. Suitable word is many. How dash patience do you think I have? Here suitable word is much. Not dash time has passed since he moved to Lahore. Not much. Not much. With dash planning you can achieve your goal. With a little. With a little. Number 5 is only dash people were there on the opening night of his play. Only a few. Only a few. I still have dash money left. I could lend it to you. I have a little. I have a little money left. Dash of our problems are solved now. Are resolved now. Many. Here the suitable word is many. If she makes dash remark like that, she'll find herself in trouble with her colleagues. If she made dash remarks, a few remarks like that. Next is dash hard work and dash bit of luck go together in making success of an adventure. Much hard work and a little bit of luck go together in making success of an adventure. Sentence number 10 is dash people came for the premiere of the film but only dash remained till the end. Many people came for the premiere of the film but only a few remained till the end. Okay students, you have to complete the exercise C and D. इन योर बुक्स लाइक दिस। जैसे मैंने आपको कंप्लीट करवाई इसी तरह से आपने एक्सरसाइज नंबर सी और डी अपनी बुक्स पे कंप्लीट कर लेनी है। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, टेक केयर ऑफ़ योर सेल्फ एंड अल्लाह हाफिज़।